Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Get what the hell? Damn! What the fuck? Oh shit! Cut his face off.
Artyom, take my shotgun. Here.
Man, you ain't got no goddamn right. Man, this guy ain't got no damn ammo in his shotgun. You punk dude. Take my shotgun. Alright, let's go. Let's do this again.
What the hell's going on?
Man, I should shoot you in your head.
Wake up, people! People! Wake up, for Christ's sake!
Talking about take my shotgun.
Boris, wake up! Boris!